these plants with this on here. This is one way to identify one of the plants that we call plantain or plantain or whatever. And these are what the leaves look like. These are kind of dirty, but you see the veins in the leaf, how it goes directly from the stem straight up like that. They don't branch out like a lot of other leaves do. Right? It's got dirt on it, but you can see that. So this is the narrow leaf plantain. We've got the broadleaf plantain growing everywhere as well. But I don't want those grown in this garden bed. I'm going to be cleaning up this garden bed. And there's various different plants in there, but I just need to get it all cleaned up. We're going to be getting some rain, and so I want to get all of this out of here, take the shovel and loosen up the dirt. I know it's not much of a raised bed like some of my viewers and subscribers have noticed, but they are slowly becoming raised as I add materials into the garden. Over time they do and will become actual raised beds, but until then I'm going to utilize what I have. Sometimes when you're doing your gardens and you've got organic material in your garden, it just ends up, see, I like to get these things out by the root. So I grab them, whenever I grab a plant, I grab it like it's close down to the crown. And the crown is where the top of the plant meets the roots. Grab the crown as close as I can and just give it not a yank, but a firm pull. And get the roots out. And then shake the dirt off, because you want the dirt to stay. You want to get rid of the plant and the roots, but you don't want the roots to stay. You want to get them out the best you can. And if you do break off the roots, when you come back to loosen the soil, you can go after those roots and get those roots out that way. But I just keep working at it. Just keep working at it here and there until I have all of this stuff out of there. I don't know how well my GoPro's getting all this, but I guess you could say it's just a good try, a good go at it. I gotta use the GoPro in order to figure it out and know exactly how to set the camera up, how the view turns out. And whoop, see, that one broke off the roots. I tried to do that one left-handed and kind of pulled differently. But anyway, when I loosen the soil, I'll be able to get those roots out. See, there's the root there. But anyway, so root balls right there. But I'll get that out later. I'll find it. Oh, yeah, see, some of them just break off. But that's okay. I'm not really worried about it. I just keep working at it, keep working at it, keep working at it until I have everything cleared out. Oh, all right. And then this one here is carrot. I don't want to mess with the carrot plant. I want to leave the carrot plant there and let it grow. Oh, all right. Oh my gosh. My knees are not made for this. I'll also be getting like the weeds down that are growing in the middle here as well, and be able to, make the walkways a little bit better. Kind of like I've been doing here end up there. Whenever I use the lawnmower, use the bagger, put it, like get the weeds down and then cover it up with this stuff. And then that way creates a better environment that holds in the moisture in the soil and creates, as it decomposes, creates nutrients in the soil as well. But, we learn as we go, don't we? We learn as we go. All right, well, I'm going to get busy at this, and I'll just check out this video and see how things work with this camera. And the audio, I wasn't quite sure using my GoPro app. See you later, bye.